In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Claude write a blog. To get started, download and install Claude Code on your computer. Once it's installed, open it up and sign in to your Anthropic account if the app asks you to. This gives you access to the workspace where Claude can help generate and refine your project. After that, launch Claude Code and either create a new project or open an existing workspace if you already have one prepared. If you're building from scratch, it's a good idea to create a dedicated folder for your blog so everything stays organized from the beginning. Keeping your files in one place makes it much easier to manage updates later. Now you're ready to describe the blog you want Claude to build. Be as clear as possible here. Tell Claude the purpose of the blog, the kind of layout you want, your preferred color scheme, what pages should be included, and any features you'd like to have. The more specific your prompt is, the better the result will usually be, because Claude has more direction to work with. Once your instructions are clear, ask Claude Code to generate the blog structure. This could include basic HTML, CSS, and JavaScript files, or even a framework-based setup if that's what you prefer. At this stage, Claude is essentially creating the foundation of your site for you. When the files are generated, take a moment to review the code carefully. You want to make sure the layout, the written content, and any functionality match what you had in mind. Even if Claude does a strong first draft, it's always worth checking for anything that needs to be adjusted. From there, start customizing your blog, update the text, replace images, refine the colors and fonts, and adjust the navigation menu or any other design elements. If you want to make changes quickly, you can continue prompting Claude Code and ask it to revise specific sections. Next, preview the blog locally. You can run it using the recommended development server or simply open the generated files in your browser, depending on how the project was created. This helps you see how everything looks in a real browsing experience. After previewing it, test the blog thoroughly. Click through every page, check links, confirm images load properly, and make sure buttons and layouts behave well on both desktop and mobile screens. Once everything looks right, save your changes so your latest edits are preserved. Finally, publish your blog using your preferred hosting platform. After it's live, you can keep coming back to Claude Code anytime you want to add posts, improve the design, fix issues, or expand the site with new features.